Hello everyone, and how are you doing today? In this video I'll be sharing with you this very powerful medicinal garlic tea recipe you can have early in the morning on an empty stomach to heal your system, cleanse your liver, cleanse your organs, treat bacteria out of your system and leave you so clean and healthy. Plus it will help to boost your metabolism, so whatever you eat during the day, it metabolizes, breaks down so fast without store up, causing weight gain, fats in unnecessary places on your body. So this is a very healthy tea recipe you want to try, and trust me, this leads to good health, which is what we all want. So without wasting much of your time, I'll take you now and show you how to come up with yours yourself at home. Feel free to share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy, most importantly. Yeah, so as I mentioned earlier, the best time to consume this garlic tea is early in the morning on an empty stomach before breakfast, so it gets into a clean system without any food or oil obstructing it from really cleansing and doing its job. So in order to come up with our garlic tea, the first ingredient we'll be using will be garlic. So we'll be using 3 garlic. A little goes a long way. Garlic is loaded with a lot of health and medicinal benefits to the system. It helps to cleanse your organs because it has antibacterial properties to cleanse your organs, plus anti-inflammatory properties to keep your organs in good state, most especially your liver, so it can be in good state for you to live a healthy life, because your liver is responsible for the proper functioning of your system. Garlic is equally very good as it helps to flush out bad bacteria from your system, yeast, excess yeast in your system, for you to have a healthy life free of bacteria, yeast infections. This is so good. So if you have itchiness, all the infections, any bacteria or fungal infection, this garlic tea will trash that for you. Like, this is so good. It helps to lower blood pressure as well. Like, this is so healthy. So what you want to do is to get 3 garlic, wash thoroughly. As you see, I'm chopping the garlic into some tiny little sizes to come up with our tea. So this is so good. You want to incorporate into your daily life to live a healthy life, most especially for cleansing, detoxification, making sure your blood pressure is normal, not high, which is something most people face a lot these days. You want to take precautions and be healthy, and most importantly, yeast infection and flushing out excess yeast from the system so you don't end up with yeast infection. So yeah, this is it. Your chopped 3 garlic. The next ingredient I'll be adding here will be lemons. Lemons too are very good at cleansing and detoxifying the system. It supports your system to, like, it awakens your metabolism and help you break down food, so nothing stores up, causing obesity. Here we are not talking of weight gain, we are talking of obesity. That is something that leads to all health complications like hypertension, diabetes, high blood pressure, and the rest. This is to help awaken and boost your metabolism, so you metabolize food and nothing stores up, causing obesity. Obesity is excess weight gain. This is something you want to avoid. Let's not always talk about weight loss just to look good. For your health, it is very important to be in a certain amount of weight and not overweight or oversized, obese, because that is health issues. Like, overweight is the cause of 90% health issues. So this is 1 lemon I have sliced into some good sizes, ready for me to prepare the third ingredient now. So the third ingredient I'll be adding in here will be ginger. All these 3 ingredients are metabolism boosters, they are cleansers, they help to, like, steam up your system to break down fat so fast. We want to avoid obesity here, calm down blood pressure, and, like, boost metabolism so you can easily break down food. Like, this is the best kind of tea you want to have in the morning instead of milk and chocolate or milk over tea. This is the best kinds of tea you want to have, most especially if you are from 20 and above, because you no longer break down food. You are not active like you were so young. You play around, you can easily metabolize, break down food. As you age, everything slows down, so you need things like this to awaken and boost your metabolism. Rather than having that cup of milk, give it to your baby. He or she needs it for protein, but you need to start supporting your system to break down food and the rest, because your system slows down as you age. Yeah, so as you notice, I'm trying to boil some water to come up with our garlic tea. So while the water is heating up, I think it has boiled, but I'll heat it up again. So I'll be adding in my garlic first in this cup. This is where I want to infuse this tea. So it is really concentrated. When you infuse it, it is really concentrated and works so well. So that is the 3 chopped garlic I've put in the cup. The next thing I'll be adding with will be my ginger. So what I want to achieve is 1 tablespoon of ginger. So that is 1 tablespoon of ginger. That is just fine. So that is my water like bubbling at the back. So you want your water to bubble up, heat up, so it can really infuse these ingredients for you without you cooking for so long and destroying a lot of some of the benefits. So that is it. The next thing I'll add will be, after pouring my water in the ginger and garlic, I'll add my lemon. So you want to slice your lemon into tiny little sizes, so the juice and maybe the orange peel as well can get infused into the water, because the lemon peel, sorry I said orange, because the lemon peel has a lot of medicinal benefits as well. So you want both the peel and the juice in the water. So you want to stir and leave this to really simmer or like cool down for like 10-15 minutes, and you are good to have it. So after 10-15 minutes, you can pour it in your cup. And there is one ingredient I always add in some honey for sweetness. So you want to add honey and not white sugar, because white sugar will cause a lot of havoc. White sugar is something you want to avoid instead. So after you pour your tea in your cup, this is when you can add in a little bit of honey for taste. Honey too has a lot of health benefits if you have good honey. So they are real honey sold. The ones I see mostly in Africa are dark in color. This is bee pollen honey. Whatever organic real honey you have, you can use, but please don't use white sugar. White sugar will spike your sugar levels, cause the weight gain, obesity, which is what we are avoiding here. So you don't want to use white sugar. That is half a teaspoon of honey I added in there for taste, and it equally has a lot of medicinal benefits as well. So as I mentioned earlier, first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, or last thing at bedtime. Yeah, so that is it. As usual, don't forget to share my video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy, most importantly. So thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, feel free to do so now by clicking the red subscribe button you see right below this video, so you don't miss any of my uploads and you get to watch them on time as well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.